Best carbon monoxide detector for your home and how to install it.
When looking for the best spot to install a carbon monoxide detector, consider placing at least one near your home's sleeping areas. Do not install carbon monoxide detectors in garages, kitchens, furnace rooms, or in dusty, dirty, or greasy areas. Use a tape measure, if needed, to find your preferred spot for the installation. Don't install the carbon monoxide detector too high on the wall, but also make sure that it's high enough that a child cannot play with it. Eye level to an adult is the best location so that you can easily read the display. You know, the instructions included with your product probably came with a paper guide to help you mark the exact locations of your screw holes. Use this guide with some tape to get started. Drill holes through your paper guide and into the drywall at both points indicated. To help keep your mess to a minimum, try using some extra tape below your guide as a collector for drywall dust. Remove the paper guide and insert the wall anchors into the drill holes. If you hit wood or a stud in the wall, you can skip the wall anchors and tighten the screws directly into the wood. Next, insert and tighten the screws into the wall anchors almost all the way. Leave just enough of the screws exposed to catch in the slots on the back of the detector. Fit the carbon monoxide detector over the screws and be sure the device is level. Remove the detector and insert the battery. Now, reattach the carbon monoxide detector and test to be sure the battery works by pressing the button on the front of the detector. You should hear a short beep while the device analyzes and acclimates to your air. Be sure to clean up your work area and remove any remaining screws, small parts, or plastic bags, since they could pose choking or suffocation hazards. And put away any tools since they could also be dangerous to small children. Here's some additional things to keep in mind following your carbon monoxide installation. The carbon monoxide detector should be tested once each month. Change the battery and a carbon monoxide detector every 6 months or when a low battery chirp is heard. If an alarm goes off, immediately exit the home and call 911. Stay safe, Cincinnati!